The Seal Show Part 2, The Dolphinarium, Dubai. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. The Dubai Dolphinarium, located in the Creekside Park at Bar Dubai, has a couple of seal acts thrown in. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. It was a fun display of their immense talent of acrobatics, games, singing, and the ease of interaction with people. In fact, as I said earlier, they were more human than humans.
Seriously, are you on? Yeah, I know, buddy. We had nothing to do with it. It's that guy. That guy. Oh yeah, that guy is full of feelings. That made me excited, huh? Alright. Do you want some more? Ready? You are interrupting the show every day. Can you tell me what you want? All this work? My goodness. This guy wants to sing the song on stage. There we go. You want to sing this on stage? Yeah? Alright. Hey, Paul, bring in the mic. DJ, spotlight. Roll the cameras. This boy had one of his boys. He comes all the way from South America. Journey around the world. Plus, he gets to Dubai. Here comes the king of stage, Big Boy Fred. Now tell me, amigos, did you like the singing? Like seriously, did you like the singing? You know what, this guy, whenever he throws the shoulder, there's something in his mind, and I'm very curious. Hey, Freddie, come on, what do you want? Alright, so you want me to repeat it? But speaking is not necessary. Alright. Mama, come join me. Yes, you come join me. Everybody, let's give Mama a big round of applause. Mama, what's your good name? Natalie, just Natalie, come with me. Stand here, please. Now, this guy is super romantic and I can do something special. Don't be scared. When he comes, take it from his mouth and don't worry. If you lose your finger, we have to use it. Hey, buddy. You should come closer. Don't feel shy. Come closer. Take it. No! Now, wait a minute. It's not done. There's something. Give your mask and give him your cheek. Hey, buddy, she's ready. You're welcome. Everybody, let's give this magic round of applause. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Fred. Fred is 8 years old and he comes all the way from South America. The journey around the world.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends about it.